The Path to Immortality, Real Scientific Research. Introduction to Immortality. The quest for immortality has been a perennial human aspiration, deeply rooted in mythology, religion, and philosophy. From the elixirs of ancient alchemists to the fountain of youth, humanity's desire to transcend the limitations of mortal life is as old as civilization itself. In contemporary times, this age-old dream is being re-examined through the lens of modern science. Advances in biotechnology, genetics, and medicine are propelling us closer to the possibility of significantly extending human lifespan, if not achieving outright immortality. This exploration delves into the real scientific research that is charting the path towards this once fantastical goal, examining the philosophical implications and the challenges we face. The science of aging. Understanding the biological mechanisms of aging is the first crucial step towards achieving immortality. Aging is a complex, multifactorial process involving genetic, environmental, and lifestyle factors that collectively lead to the gradual decline in physiological functions. Cellular senescence. One of the key factors in aging is cellular senescence. Cells have a limited capacity to divide, known as the Hayflick limit, after which they enter a state of senescence. These senescent cells accumulate over time, contributing to age-related tissue dysfunction and chronic inflammation. Research is focused on ways to clear these senescent cells from the body or prevent their formation, with senolytic drugs showing promise in animal models. Telomere shortening. Telomeres, the protective caps at the ends of chromosomes, shorten with each cell division. When they become too short, cells can no longer divide and become senescent. Telomerase, an enzyme that extends telomeres, has been shown to prolong the lifespan of cells in vitro. Scientists are investigating ways to activate telomerase in human cells without increasing the risk of cancer, as unchecked cell division can lead to tumor formation. Genetic and epigenetic factors. Genetic research has identified several genes associated with longevity, such as those involved in DNA repair, metabolism, and oxidative stress response. Epigenetic changes, which affect gene expression without altering the DNA sequence, also play a significant role in aging. By understanding and potentially manipulating these genetic and epigenetic factors, researchers aim to slow down or even reverse the aging process. Advances in biotechnology. Biotechnology offers some of the most promising avenues for extending human lifespan. Techniques such as gene editing, regenerative medicine, and advanced prosthetics are at the forefront of this scientific revolution. Gene editing, CRISPR-Cas9, and other gene editing technologies have revolutionized the field of genetics, allowing precise modifications to the genome. These technologies hold the potential to correct genetic defects that cause age-related diseases and enhance genes that promote longevity. For example, editing genes associated with cardiovascular health, cognitive function, and cellular repair mechanisms could significantly extend healthy lifespan. Regenerative medicine, stem cell therapy, and tissue engineering are key components of regenerative medicine. Stem cells have the ability to differentiate into various cell types and regenerate damaged tissues. Research is ongoing to develop therapies that can replace or repair aging tissues and organs. Additionally, tissue engineering aims to grow organs in the lab, which could be used for transplants, thereby bypassing the issues of organ rejection and shortage. Artificial organs and prosthetics. The development of artificial organs and advanced prosthetics is another critical area. Innovations such as artificial hearts, kidneys, and even lungs are being refined to provide long-term solutions for organ failure. Coupled with advancements in neural interfaces, these technologies not only replace lost functions, but also integrate seamlessly with the body's existing systems, potentially enhancing human capabilities beyond their natural limits. Philosophical implications of immortality. The prospect of achieving immortality raises profound philosophical questions about the nature of life, death, and what it means to be human. These considerations are as crucial as the scientific and technological challenges. The meaning of life. Immortality forces us to rethink the meaning of life. Traditionally, the finite nature of human existence has been a key factor in shaping our values, motivations, and societal structures. If death were no longer an inevitable endpoint, how would this change our approach to life, relationships, and personal achievement? Would life lose its urgency and purpose, or would it allow for a deeper exploration of our potential, ethical and social considerations? The pursuit of immortality also brings up ethical issues related to inequality and access. Who gets to live forever, and who decides? There is a risk that these advanced technologies could be available only to the wealthy, exacerbating existing social inequalities. Furthermore, overpopulation and resource allocation must be addressed in a world where people live indefinitely. Identity and continuity. Another philosophical question pertains to identity and continuity. If we rely on technologies such as mind uploading or cybernetic enhancements to achieve immortality, what does it mean to remain human? Is a person who has had their consciousness transferred to a digital medium still the same individual, or does this process create a new entity? These questions challenge our understanding of selfhood and the essence of human experience. Current and future research. Several key areas of current research are driving the path towards potential immortality. These include ongoing studies in longevity genes, anti-aging drugs, and holistic approaches to extending lifespan. Longevity genes. Research into longevity genes, such as those affecting insulin signaling pathways, e.g. IGF-1 and sirtuins, proteins involved in cellular regulation, is shedding light on the biological mechanisms that control aging. Understanding these pathways could lead to interventions that mimic the effects of caloric restriction, a well-documented method of extending lifespan in various organisms. Anti-aging drugs. Pharmaceutical research is developing drugs that target aging at the molecular level. Rapamycin, metformin, and resveratrol are examples of compounds that have shown promise in extending lifespan and health span in animal studies. Clinical trials are underway to test their efficacy and safety in humans. Holistic approaches. A holistic approach to extending lifespan involves a combination of genetic, pharmacological, and lifestyle interventions. Integrative medicine, which combines conventional treatments with alternative therapies, emphasizes the importance of diet, exercise, mental health, and environmental factors in promoting longevity. By addressing aging from multiple angles, this approach aims to optimize overall well-being and extend healthy life. Conclusion. The path to immortality, once relegated to the realm of myth and fantasy, is now being paved by rigorous scientific research and technological innovation. While we have not yet achieved the dream of eternal life, significant strides are being made towards dramatically extending human lifespan and improving the quality of life in our later years. As we navigate this uncharted territory, it is essential to consider the philosophical, ethical, and societal implications of our pursuit. The quest for immortality is not just a scientific endeavor, but a profound exploration of what it means to be human and how we choose to define our existence in the cosmos.